Hello, this is the technical demonstration for our blockchain voting system. As you can see, we're just looking at our website right here. This is running on a separate virtual machine. We have two other virtual machines. This one is running our web servers as well as our Ethereum Ganache blockchain. You'll note we're up to block 35 currently in this chain. So just make a note of that for later on in the demonstration. The other virtual machine we've got here is our MySQL server. So as you can see, I'm just looking at Workbench here just to show some of the user accounts in here. As you can see, they are all being saved as hashed values for the passwords. So we're not storing any plain text passwords. So I'm going to go back to the VM load our website. Yeah, we've just got the IP and the address bar. We didn't set up DNS or open this up to the world to play with. So a little tour of our website. We have our homepage, just pretty basic, just welcoming people to the blockchain voting system. We have a how-to setup, just kind of showing how the user experience and background kind of work. And you can also go to the results page, which shows us this is kind of live from our blockchains. We're at 4, 3, 4, 5 for votes for David, Ivan, Dwayne, and myself, Spencer. So later on, once we sign in and we can vote, let's even that up and see if we can get Ivan up to 4 votes. We've also got an about page explaining, the purpose of our DreamVote website, some information on blockchain, and of course some of the benefits of using blockchain for this. We've got a contact page set up here, and although this sending a message isn't really live because we're running this all on virtuals and we never did set up a group email to receive anything. This really won't send an email, but it's all stubbed in here, ready to go. And then we've got FAQs, just waiting for people to ask some questions, so we can start filling this in a bit more. But just got a simple, who could vote question in here. So we have also got account information here. So go into a sign in page. And apparently we're actually still signed in from my last account, so let's just click that, I can sign out, sign back in again. So here's our sign in page. So and you can sign in if you've got an account, and it'll automatically direct you to vote. And we're more interested in the sign up. The other thing to note is the reason it was still showing as signed in is because we do have the session-based setup in here. So once you log in, you are logged in. So let's just create a new test 6 user with a last name of last name, and let's do test 6. Okay, well, let's go test 7 and test7.com. And we'll just put a really simple password in there. And so we're going to click sign up. And it's automatically redirecting us to the vote page. You'll notice that was not here before. Now we can see it. The other thing is if we go back to our database here and we refresh our query, you see we've now got our test7 user and a new hashed password in here. So that user has now been entered into our user database. I just want to refresh our blockchain site here so you can see. Remember, we're currently at 35 blocks. And so let's see, we already said we're going to cast a vote for Ivan. So we'll cast a vote for Ivan. And we just have another warning pop up just reminding people, hey, you are about to cast your vote. Just make sure you're good. Once you hit OK, it'll automatically pass us on to the results page. And you'll see now we're all tied up for For second place, I'm a little biased. I'm doing most of the testing, so I've voted for myself more, but you can see Ivan is now up to 4 votes. The other thing is we've also got it set up, you can't see the vote page. You hit the back arrow and you can't go back to votes. So you cast your vote, there's no going back. The other thing is too, when you go to the home page, you'll notice that if you try and sign up again, it just redirects you back to the home page. Same thing with signing in, because we are currently signed in with the session-based system. And speaking of results, okay, well, jumping back to results, you see now we are block 36. We were at 35 before, we're at 36. We added a new transaction contract call to cast that vote on our blockchain, and you can see the results on our web page here. So that concludes our technical demonstration. Thanks.